Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you my 3 go-to hairstyles for my short bob slash lob, whatever you want to call it. I feel like it's kind of in between. So these are the 3 hairstyles that I go to the most often. Generally I just wear it down. I feel like since I've cut my hair I do so much more with it than when it was long. When it was long, literally it was greasy like 90% of the time, not joking. Just because it took so much effort to wash it and dry it. And when I did, it looked really crap. I just never saw the point in doing anything with it because it always looked rubbish anyway. So, and now that my hair is short, honestly, I enjoy it so much more. It's so much easier to style. It feels thicker. It looks thicker. I'm just really happy with the way that it looks. So the first style that I'm going to go for is literally just down and straightened. Pretty much the same as this, but obviously neater and a bit more styled. To do that, I like to use these Nicky Clarke straighteners, which I've had for no joke, like I swear I've had them for like 10 years. I've had them for so long. I got them for Christmas so long ago and they work really well, so I don't really see the point in getting any other ones. I mean, I'm gonna keep using these until they break. Hopefully they don't anytime soon. I use these on a medium to low setting just because my hair's already straight. I don't really need to straighten it, but I do want to smooth down any of the frizziness and just make it look a little bit more put together. I'm just going to brush it through with my pink Tangle Teezer. I absolutely love these. They don't drag on the hair, they get out knots really easily. I just feel like they do the least amount of damage, whereas other hairbrushes really pull on my hair and I hate that. So I'm going to give it a quick brush through. So I do wear this hairstyle 2 ways. I'll either wear it super straight and blunt and sleek, or I'll go for that Kim K style of curling it inwards into the face. I was actually wearing it like that for a while and then I saw Kim K wear it on. What show was she on? I don't know, but either way, it was really nice to see a celebrity bring that hairstyle back because I felt like it was very 90s, kind of having the ends of your hair curled into your face. It's a little bit primary school, a little bit 90s, but I really like it personally, so it was nice to see someone else rocking it confidently and it really suited her. I think she looks so good with a bob. I think today I'm going to go for the very curved inwards because that one is my favourite to do. So just take the hair, then once it gets to the bottom I kind of curl the straighteners inwards like that. See? Super simple. Not gonna lie, I've got the coffee shakes right now. Does this happen to anyone else? Whenever I drink coffee I just get like the shakes like crazy. I look like a crazy person. With these bits I just straighten the bottom. My fringe is so annoying. I feel like I've been growing it out for about 20 years. It's like just that really annoying length where it feels like it never grows. I just want it to be the same length as my hair. It's taken so long. Why? Why does the rest of my hair grow fast and this bit doesn't? I don't understand. And I'm gonna go round and keep carving it inwards. Super easy. So here you can see the difference from this side to this side. It's just very messy, not a good look. Whereas this is a little bit more put together. It's not super curved, but it does give you a little bit more body, just a little bit more volume on the bottom rather than having it super straight. But like I said, I do wear it both ways. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And sometimes if this bit's just a little bit too stuck to my head, I like to go in with the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, and I like the natural and light one. It's called Bear. It's just a nicer, fresher smell. I don't really like the heavily scented dry shampoos. They just irritate me throughout the day. Just spray a little bit up here. I do have volumizing dry shampoos, but I feel like as soon as you put them in, it instantly feels really sticky and heavy, and I don't like that. I like my hair to feel very fresh, and the feeling you get when it's freshly washed, I want my hair to feel like that, and that one definitely does that. And it smells like freshly washed hair too, which I love. So that's the first hairstyle finished. This is probably my favourite one to wear. It's just really easy, effortless, and I loved the whole curved in bottom things. I don't know why, it's just really cute. I do wear it super blunt and straight sometimes. It kind of just depends on my mood, but generally I do prefer to wear it like this for some reason. And this is what it looks like from the side. Again, just curled inwards all the way around. Super easy. Okay, on to the second hairstyle, which is probably the easiest hairstyle ever in the history of hairstyles. So basically my hair gets greasy pretty much the next day after washing it, and this is a hairstyle that I'll go to for that second day of greasy hair. It's just easy. It's something I do when I can't really be bothered to put any effort into my hair, which is most days, and I like it. So basically it's literally just a low bun. That is pretty much it. I do it with the centre pines. Sometimes I'll have my side bangs out, sometimes I won't. Depends on the mood, depends on how creasy my hair is. And the weird thing is, I used to do this hairstyle all the time when my hair was long, but for some reason it looks so much better now that it's short. I don't really know why. I don't know, maybe I've got a little bit more thickness now that my hair is short. I'm not really sure, but either way, I much prefer the way it looks now. So all you need is a hair tie. I've got this black one, and then obviously a brush and a comb. I've already got my hair in a centre parting, so I'm just gonna brush it backwards. And then I'm gonna take my hairband, tie it as normal into a ponytail as you usually would. And then once you get to the last one, wrap the hair around halfway, but don't put it all the way through. And then for the rest of the hair that's sticking out, I just grab it and push it into the hairband as well. Then I always pull a little bit of hair from the sides, just make it look a little bit less neat. And that is it. That is the second hairstyle. Like I said, super easy. It's literally just a low bun. That is it. So this is what it looks like from the back. I don't like to do it too neat. I want it to be a little bit messy. I want it to look like it was just thrown up. And if I do have lots of sticky out bits of hair, I will just use some bobby pins, pin it back, and you won't be able to see them. Sometimes I like to have the front bits back, or I'll have them down. It just depends. I mean, they kind of tend to fall out anyway if I didn't tie it very tight. I do like to back comb it a little bit because it can get a teensy bit flat. Or I'll either wear it like this. It doesn't look that great right now because I just straighten my fringe bits. Usually when I have my hair like this, I haven't straightened it, so they kind of curve in a little bit more towards the face. It looks a little bit more natural. But yeah, this is how I wear it on lazy days. Super simple, nothing too difficult. So the third hairstyle does take a little bit more time and a little bit more effort. I don't tend to do it that often, and to be honest, I don't really feel like it suits me as well as it suits other people. I feel like having curly wavy hair looks so great when you've got a bob or a lob, but on me it just makes my wide face look even wider, so I tend to not do it that often. But sometimes I'm like, you know what, I want to have my hair wavy or curly, so I'm just going to do it anyway. I'm going to take out this ponytail already, if I can get it out. So I only have to tie my hair up for literally 5 minutes and it kinks. So annoying. For this hairstyle, I like to use a super thin curling wand. I'm not exactly sure how thin this is, but I think this is the thinnest one you can get. My issue is with bigger barreled curling ones, my hair just doesn't curl. I don't know why, it just never curls. It never ever has. When my hair was long, couldn't curl it. It just doesn't hold a curl to save my life. This is literally the only curling iron that I've ever used that actually curls my hair. I used to use it a lot when my hair was long, and I like to use it now that my hair is short too because it's the only one that works. I don't know why. This one is from Babyliss, and I'm pretty sure I got it from Boots, I think. I think it was around £25. I only got it like maybe like 8 months ago, so it wasn't that long ago. It's just before Christmas. And yeah, I absolutely love this. It's the only thing that will curl my hair. So if you're like me and you have a lot of trouble curling your hair, definitely use a smaller barreled curling one because that's really going to help you. Obviously with this, you're going to get very tight ringlet curls, which isn't really what I want to go for. But generally the curls in my head do tend to drop pretty quickly, so it's not really as much of an issue for me. Or you could add waves with your straightener, which I also like to do. I can do a whole other video on that if you guys would like to see that, because it is a little bit tricky. It did take me a little while to master, and honestly some days I just can't do it. I don't know why. It's just one of those really weird things that people make look easy, and some days I just can't do it, and other days I'm absolutely great at it, so I don't know. Today I'm just going to stick with the curling one to show you how that works. So for this particular hairstyle, I do like to do a half up bun. One of my favourite hairstyles, if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know I absolutely love having a half bun. I just love it. Not so much now that my hair's short, I feel like it doesn't suit me as much, but when my hair was long, oh my god, I never wore it down. I really liked the half up, half down bun situation. I think it looks really nice. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair right around here. It depends how much hair you want to put up into the bun or the ponytail, whichever you want. Then I'm going to tie it up with that same black headband I used earlier. I don't like to do this too neat. I kind of want it to be slightly messy. Then I like to pull on my little baby hairs down because I do have an uneven hairline. So I want to hide that a little bit. And I also pull the hair just a little bit just so it's not so flat to my head. So then I like to take my Tangle teaser and basically, oh, let me get a bit low down. I just backcomb the ponytail until it's as bushy as possible. Gives me a little bit of extra added volume. And then I just grab the pony and I wrap it round. I'm going to take some bobby pins and push those in. I usually like to use 2 just to secure each side. Then I like to rough it up a little bit. I don't want it to look too neat. Usually I'll go in with a little bit of hairspray. It gives it just a teensy bit more texture, and obviously it's going to hold it in place as well. Okay, so that's that for now. It's looking decent. I'm going to put on my heat resistant glove just so I don't burn my hands off. Then I'm going to take a chunk of hair about this wide. I don't section my hair for this. I don't see the point because I want it to look messy. I don't want it to look too curled. So that's the great thing about this actually. You don't really need to spend too much time making it look neat. And then I'm going to take the hair curler and wrap the hair around like so. Leave it there for a few seconds. And you're going to end up with a curl like that. I do like to go back in at the ends as well and curl the bottoms because I hate the way straight bottoms look. I'm just going to keep doing that to each piece of hair again, going in opposite directions until I go all the way around the head. Like I said, I don't do every piece of hair because I don't want it to be too neat. And as you can see, this hair wand definitely works, so it's highly recommended. And it's super cheap, so you aren't going to go wrong. This is what it looks like when it's freshly curled, so I'm going to leave this for now and I'm going to go on and do this side, and then I'll show you what I do to this to make it look a little bit messier. Right, so we're all curled and this is what it looks like. I haven't, like I said, curled absolutely everywhere because I want some bits to be straight as well. Well, not straight, but wavy. So then I'm going to take my fingers, I'm just going to run it through the head, separate it. You can also run your Tangle teaser through it as well. When you first run your fingers through, it's going to look a little bit wild like this and look a little bit of a frizzy mess, but that's okay, we're going to fix it. I like to take the Tigi Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. It looks like this. I've had this for centuries as well. It's really good. So I like to take about 2 pumps of that. This is what it looks like, and then I'm going to rub it through my hands and just run it through my hair like so. And I will just give it a quick back comb, give myself a little bit more volume. And this is the third hairstyle finished. My hair does tend to drop a little bit more over the next hour after curling my hair, so it doesn't stay this curly. It goes into a really nice beachy wave, which I prefer, but you could just keep it like this, give it a bit of hairspray and it'll hold the curl. Product wise, I tend to not use that much product on my hair. I don't really like the way it feels. It can really weigh the hair down, especially if you've got hair like me that's very fine and very thin. You don't really want to be packing on too much product. But I will spray just a little bit of very light hairspray over the top, especially on the bun. It gives it a bit more texture, and over the rest of my hair to hold the curls a little bit more. So it looks like with the bun. My bun usually gets a bit messier as the day goes on. It's not the best right now, but it'll do. But yeah, this one's probably my least favourite. I do think it makes my face look a lot wider. Not really sure why, but I do like it nonetheless, and I think it'd be really great for on holiday. It's just easy. It takes 5 to 10 minutes depending on how short your hair is. And it's a nice way to make a little bit more effort, but also have it look a little bit messy, a little bit more casual. So those are my 3 go-to hairstyles. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments which hairstyle you preferred the best on me, and also let me know of any other hairstyles that you think are great for lobs slash bobs, whatever you want to call this. This is more of a lob, to be fair, but it's not quite hitting my collarbones yet. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, I will see you next time. Bye.